Hey folks, today is July 31st. As you can see here, we're going to be doing our Channel Trader Pro final weekly update review. It's going to cover the week of July 27th through today, July 31st. And as you can see here, it's currently about 9:30 in the morning. Alright, this week we closed out about 5 trades. First trade was in the AUD CAD pair for $21.18. Next trade was in the Euro Japanese Yen pair for $38.96. We actually had our first loss in about 3.5 weeks in the Euro Japanese Yen pair, and that was for $21.05. We had a AUD USD pair trade for $45.90 in profit, and the AUD CAD pair trade for $25.50 in profit, for a total of $110.49 this week closed out. Alright, as you guys can see here, I did lower my lot size to a 0.3, and the reason is that I spoke with somebody last weekend, and basically they're going to be starting with a smaller account size, so I kind of wanted to devote this week to trading smaller lot sizes so they can get an idea for how it does and what their potential is. So that's the reason behind this here. Alright, let's check out their MyFX book account really quick. Alright, as you guys can see here, today they're up $373.60. It will be a little bit more than that because we didn't they haven't counted one of these trades here. This one right here, $25.50. That one just closed out, I believe, about 30 minutes ago or so, somewhere around there. Alright, and as you guys can see here, let's see, 27th, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's come back here. And like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we still haven't closed out this trade here, and that's a profit of $25.50. So that'll be popping up on their account here for you guys to see, and most likely in about a half hour or so, depending on what they have it set to refresh at. But anyways, you guys can see here, the first trade that they took is the same one I took, Euro Japanese Yen. They made 581. Second trade was AUD CAD, made 300. And they had that same losing trade in the Euro Japanese Yen pair, minus 10 pips. Had the same thing on my account. They lost 475.20. Alright, AUD CAD pair here. They closed this one out for $373.60. As you can see, the profit and loss for long trades is 99%. Short trades is 97%. And this month they're currently up about 1.33%, or $1,690.71. And as I've said in the previous video, they do tend to focus on 3 currency pairs: the AUD USD, Euro Japanese Yen, and AUD CAD. And obviously they have found some way of trading this profitably with, what is it here, the channels. I actually have gone back through and watched it trade, and I have noticed that when it does take trades, it's typically when the market is within a channel. So if you guys watch it, you'll actually notice the same thing if you put the lines up there. But let's see here. Why are these 3 pairs? I discovered a unique pattern that has been consistent for many years on these pairs. To exploit this pattern, I created a strategy that targets this pattern. Alright, so basically he took one of his accounts from 4,000, well basically 5,000 up to $130,000 in profit in almost a year. So that's definitely nothing to sneeze at. Definitely a great return here. And I have been, as you guys have seen, double checking and making sure that we're taking all the same trades so that we can get this same result that they've gotten here. And obviously it's done extremely well. So this is the result we're looking for. They're up over 144% this year alone. Okay, we've only been at it for 7 months now, so that is definitely something we want to be a part of here. Alright, I've gotten a few questions that I wanted to jump into here. First one was, does it trade more than one, does it take more than one trade at a time? And the answer is yes. I've actually seen it take trades in all 3 of the currency pairs at one time. So yes, it does take more than one trade at a time. Another question I got was about the stops and take profits. Just because you see a stop and a take profit does not mean that's what's going to be used. As you guys can see here, we had a loss here of $21.05. Obviously they didn't wait for it to go to the stop loss, or to the stop that was placed on the chart. And we also have, $27 winners, $142 winners. So Basically, the stop and take profits you see on the chart is more for the broker's benefit, so they don't know where your actual stops and take profits are set at, and they're going to basically manage it themselves. Okay, so the system does manage that internally. Let's see what else we had. And also, I have noticed that it has been, like I said, 3.5 weeks since our last loss, or between losses here. And you guys can come on here and definitely check this out yourself if you want. But the longest streak I've seen with it, I believe, is about 2 months between losses. So it's definitely done extremely well in that regard. Let me see if there was anything else I wanted to talk over here. Haven't gotten a lot of questions about it, but I'm pretty sure there was one more. Somebody else asked about the lot size. This individual was new to Forex, I believe, and basically, let me pull this up real quick. Trading new order. Alright, he had a question on the lot sizes. A standard lot is 1.00. That's $10 per pip move. Same way if you say 5.00, that's going to be $50 per pip move. Alright, and that's like I said, a standard lot. A mini lot is going to be 0.10. So if I come in here and say 0.10, that's going to be a mini lot, and that's going to be $1. If I put in 0.50, that's going to be $5 per pip move. All right, and that's a mini lot. A micro lot is going to be what they show here, 0.01. That's 1 cent per pip move. So 0.05 is going to be 5 cents per pip move. So hopefully that clears that up and gives you an idea of how the Forex market works here. Anyway, if you guys have any questions on Channel Trader Pro, don't hesitate to shoot me a message either on EmpireAmbition.com, or you can send me an email, either way. And definitely, to get more information and to get to their website, which is right here, definitely click the link below. I do give this system 2 thumbs up. Not only has it shown that it can manage trades extremely well, but it also goes extremely long periods of time between losses, which is always a good thing. Alright, so again, just click the link below to get to this page, and you can get more information on Channel Trader Pro. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, folks.